Dear students, in this lecture, let us see the properties of Laplace transform. There are few properties of Laplace transform, and in this video lecture, let us see the first and second property of Laplace transform. See the first property, we call this as linearity property. Statement is, if the Laplace transform of sum or difference of two different functions which is equal to sum or difference of Laplace transform of two functions. Mathematically we express this as L of C1 into F1 of t plus or minus C2 into F2 of t, which is equal to C1 into L of F1 of t plus or minus C2 into L of F2 of t, where C1 and C2 are constants. See the proof. We use the definition of Laplace transform. L of f of t is e power integral 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t dt. Assume this as first equation. In this equation, replace f of t by c1 f1 of t plus or minus c2 f2 of t. We get e power minus st. In place of f of t, we get this term. And then we can split the integral by taking c1 as a common multiple. So c1 into integral 0 to infinity e power minus st f of f1 of t plus or minus c2 into integral 0 to infinity e power minus st f2 of t. This is nothing but L of f1 of t, and this is L of f2 of t. So c1 L of f1 of t plus c2 L of f2 of t. This is the required result which we need to prove for linearity property. And the second property is change of scale property. In place of t, if any constant is multiplied along with the t, then what is the change in the Laplace transform? Let us see the statement. If L of f of t is f of s, then L of f of at is equal to 1 by a into f of s by a. See the proof. We know the definition again. Definition of Laplace transform. And in place of t we have f of at. So replace t by f of at. So we get replaced function f of t by f of at. So if we substitute at as u, we get a into dt as du. And there is no change in the limit. See here, when t is 0, u is 0. When t infinity, u is infinity. Now substitute this one in first equation. You get L of f of t is equal to e power minus s. What is t from this? This is u by a. So e power minus s into u by a, f of u into du by a, and then you take 1 by a as common multiple, and you get 0 to infinity e power minus s by a into f of u du. And this is nothing but this is of the form Laplace transform. In place of s, we have s by a. So where the parameter is different, but the definition is same. So in place of t, we have u. So there is no change in the definition, whereas s is replaced by s by a. If s here means we can write it f of s, whereas here s by a, so you can write it as f of s by a, and 1 by a is a common multiple. Hence L of f of at is 1 by a into f of s by a. Hence the property 2 is proved.